I have never thought at 45 I would be here, a single mother of three, a teacher, living far away from home. Today I'll be sharing something real, not a success story, not a perfect life, just lessons that I learned when I had no choice but to grow. If you're lost, you're broken, or you're down, this video is for you. There comes a moment in life when you stop running and you start reflecting. Today, I want to share my journey so far, not because I have it all figured out, but because I have learned some lessons that changed me. I am 45 years old. I am a single mother of three. I am a teacher and I am living far away from home. This is my story. When I was younger, I had a picture of how my life would look like: a stable family, a clear path, certainty. But hmm, life had its own plans. Some dreams didn't come true. Some people didn't stay. Some chapters ended painfully without closure. And for a long time, I thought I had failed. But one of the first lessons life taught me is this: a life that looks different is not a life that is broken. Later, I became a single mother. Hmm. Becoming a single mother changed everything. Suddenly, I wasn't just living for myself. Every decision mattered. Every fear felt heavier. Every mistake felt louder. There were nights I cried silently, not because I was weak, but because I was tired of being strong. Life taught me that strength is not loud. Sometimes strength looks like showing up, even when your heart feels empty. Teaching was more than a job for me. It became my anchor. Standing in front of students, I learned something unexpected. I learned that while I was teaching them, life was teaching me. I learned patience. I learned humility. I learned grace. Life taught me that purpose can heal pain. And sometimes helping others rise is how you learn to stand again. Living abroad is not always the adventure people imagine. It's lonely, it's quiet, it's missing home while trying to build a new one. You celebrate victories alone. You cry without familiar arms. You learn to be your own support system. Life taught me that home is not always a place. Sometimes home is the strength you carry inside. With all of this, I learned a lot of lessons. I learned lessons from loss, from delay, from disappointment. I have lost things I thought I couldn't live without. I have waited longer than I wanted to. I have been disappointed by people I trusted. But life taught me this powerful lesson. Delay is not denial. Loss is not the end. And disappointment is often redirection. What didn't work out made space for something deeper, wisdom. I learned a lot during this period. I learned that self-love matters a lot. At 45, I have stopped apologizing for who I am. I no longer chase validation. I no longer shrink to make others comfortable. I no longer fear starting again. Life taught me that aging is not losing value, it is gaining clarity. I am softer now, but stronger. So, for other women out there who are going through a lot, I have this message for you. If you're watching this and feeling behind, if you're rebuilding, if life didn't turn out the way you hoped, please hear this. You are not late. You are not invisible. You are not failing. Life is shaping you, not punishing you. Sometimes we think that life is just punishing us. But to be honest, life is just shaping us to be who God wants us to be. Sometimes we feel that where we are is not okay. We ask a lot of questions. We think that God has abandoned us. We think that life is coming to an end. But that's not true. Life is just shaping us. It's not punishing us. Life is shaping us to be who we ought to be. So don't feel behind any longer. Don't feel you can't rebuild. Don't feel there is no hope for you. Start rebuilding. Turn out to be who you ought to be. No matter the disappointments, no matter the delay, no matter the loss. Gather the wisdom that you have learned and become a better person. If you're watching this and feeling behind, if you are rebuilding, you are not alone. Yes, you are not alone. My journey is still unfolding. If life has taught me something so far, it's this. You don't have to have everything to be grateful. You don't have to be perfect to be proud. You don't have to give up to begin. If you found this video helpful, or if you listened to my story and you found it interesting, please don't forget to comment, like, and share. Also hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the very first person to get notified. Remember, you have to keep on. Your story matters too. See you in my next video. Bye.